Hey, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making this super soft, chewy oatmeal raisin cookies with sweet potatoes. So take a bowl and add 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can use butter as well, but I prefer oil. Then go ahead and add 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. If you like less sweet, then you can use half cup of brown sugar. Now whisk it, add one large egg and whisk it properly so it gets well mixed. The next step is 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract for this calming flavor and fragrance. Then goes 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour and half teaspoon of baking soda, then half teaspoon of salt, ground cinnamon, and a dash of nutmeg. Then you can see there are these rolled oats and half cup of grated sweet potato. Yummy. Then go ahead and mix well. So now goes the golden raisins, but you can use the black currants if you have those. Here we are scooping them on this baking sheet, on the baking tray, and flatten them with your hands so they bake evenly. And we are baking them for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. Please preheat the oven before starting the baking. Then they go in the oven. Yummy cookies are right here. So if you decide to bake them, make sure you post your pictures on our socials linked in the bio with hashtag cook for health and enjoy.